Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to export video in InVideo. InVideo AI is a powerful tool for generating videos. You can return to the videos you have created in all their variations and exports. This video will guide you through the process of navigating your dashboard, accessing your video history, exporting videos, and managing your exported videos. First, accessing your dashboard. Navigate to your dashboard. It's located on the left side of your screen, and if you can't find it, check the top right corner and click Dashboard. Then, look for the History section. Select your video. Find the video you want to export or change. And generated multiple videos. If you generated more than one video, you'll see the number under the video. These numbers represent the history of videos generated with the same project. And select the video. Find the video you want to export. Press the export button and choose your export preferences. Once the export is finished, you can download the video. Then return to exported videos. Go to your home page to find all your exports. Sometimes you might receive a notice that the export didn't work correctly. Before exporting again, check its accuracy. Verify on your home page if the export succeeded even if you receive an error notice. If you see a video listed twice, it means you exported it twice and it will count as two exports. Avoid pressing the export button more than once to save your export counts. Accessing export page. Click on the exported video to visit its export page where you can download it. Avoid exporting again if you only need to download the video. On the right side of the export page, you can access your project for editing and export again if needed. Set the video to private so only you can see it, or choose unlisted for everyone with the link can watch it. For public access, change the setting to public. And last, click the share button to get a link for sharing with others. Share via the link instead of downloading and sending the actual video. And that's all. If you enjoy using InVideo AI, you can find the link in the description below. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.